Okay, let's do some belly breathing together. So find yourself a seat. Either you can stand, you can sit, you can lay down on your bed, sofa, whatever you're comfortable with. And we're going to place our left hand on our heart space and our right hand on our belly. And you're welcome to lower your gaze or close your eyes and just begin to feel and notice your body. Notice what your hands are feeling. Notice if you feel any buzzing or jittery energy, or maybe you just feel calm. Just taking a moment to become aware. And I'd like you to take a nice deep breath in, just in general, just a nice deep breath in, and let it out your mouth, letting everything soften. And then we're going to begin to breathe in more intentionally. So take your next inhale and breathe all the way into the count of 4 through your nose. And then let it come out through your nose all the way out to the count of 5 or more. Now this time I want you to breathe in through your nose and direct it all the way into your belly to the point where your hand is moving now. And then you can let it all the way back out. Really letting every last drop out. And then breathing in all the way into the belly. And then all the way back out the nose, letting everything leave the body. Let's do that one more time. In through the nose. Belly rises. And then out the nose. Your abdominal muscles engage. The diaphragm is engaging. And then you release and breathe in. And that's how you do belly breathing. So you're just allowing the breath to come in slowly and intentionally through the nose, all the way into the belly. So you're bringing a nice deep inhale all the way into the belly. And then you're releasing completely, using all the parts of your breath, which I described in the write-up. So just allow your body to fully engage in the breath, in the flow of the breath, so that you can get the most oxygen running through your body, through your organs, and you will feel better. Everything will slow down and calm down. The body will shift from sympathetic into parasympathetic, where you can rest and digest and be calm. So that's where we're headed. I hope it feels good. Talk to you soon.